Edo Deputy Governor Honorable Dennis Idahosa on Saturday, 16th November 2024, attended the first official event when he got the 14th convocation ceremony of Western Delta University for Ogara Delta State. For his speech, the Deputy Governor talk saying a big honor and privilege for him to congratulate the graduating students of 2024. Ekonyan say as former student for the school, in sabi well how the education for Western Delta University take help him. Say the school teach him how to dey firm, dey focus and never lose sight of his goals no matter wetin come in way.
It's such a great honor and privilege to be here today to congratulate the graduates of this year 2024. Many years ago, I was also here in this school. We went through the 4 walls of this school, and this school taught me a lot of things. One of which is perseverance, hard work, and resilience. And today, by the grace of God, I am the Deputy Governor of Idahosa. Let me also tell you that this school taught me that it's good to be fair and focused. Education will give you a very good education, a good foundation. But it's left for you to do something with it.
Make una no forget say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Ogara Delta State, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.